Hello and welcome. This is Kara, and I wanted to share my completed rainbow journal. Yay! It kind of took a little break. There was a stomach bug and some other things that kind of got in the way, but it is now finished. I mean, at least finished-ish. I might always come back up and play with this one. All right, so here is my cover. I love how this cover turned out. I used the Tim Holtz die cuts to cut out all the circles. And then I have a stitched square die. I don't know who it's made by, but I use those to kind of give it the Kandinsky feel. And then my tassel with all sorts of fun little goodies in it, the wishbone, some acrylic pieces, and some big chunky beads, more acrylic with the flowers. So yeah, so there's the tassel to kind of match, and it just kind of flops about. I love it, I love it. And then I just kind of kept the rest kind of simple. It's just white. It's messy, but it's white right now. And then I did, what is this guy called? Yeah, that thing, kind of closure. And I have this elastic on here, and I have enough that if this gets chunkier as I use it, that I can expand it. And as you can see, I added some fabric tabs. So the red section, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, just exactly how I was kind of envisioning it when I made the rainbow kits. I wanted to have the sections with all of the rainbow colors. So it's so exciting and fun to have it actually kind of turn out how I was envisioning. Here, I'm not too happy with how this dried, so I might end up putting a pocket or something, more fabric or something here to kind of cover it. But for now, I'm gonna leave it until I have a good idea of what to put there. All right, and it is pretty chunky already. All right, so here's the red section. There's the fabric tag and the index card, that awesome scrapbook paper by Elizabeth Craft. Whoops, another one of those cards. I did this on a video with the fish. And then I've added some ribbon. Here is a seed packet and one of the cards from a kit. I'm not sure which kits anymore because there's quite a few rainbow kits. Thank you to everyone who kept saying, oh yeah, do this kit and do this kit. It was really, really fun. And here's another red tag. This belly band was a Friday freebie. Here I added some ribbon onto the fabric because I didn't like how I had the same fabric right next to each other. So I wanted to kind of change it up a little bit. Another page from the kit. Some more ribbon, a little flip out page. I just tied the signatures in a bow. That's a little gesso that it got stuck on the page. And then we go to orange. Another tag. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, there we go. Another tag. Little bits of fabric stuck there. Another page, did some more ribbon here. Another one of the fabric tags. This is also a freebie from that same Freebie Friday. Here I have a little flip out, and it has a little tuck spot right here in the CD, and then also there's little embellishments here. Am I out of frame? No, okay. That's what it looks like on the front. I think we did this together in one of the videos, but this has little pockets in it now, or little pieces of ephemera, and then this guy on the top. More orange, and then we go to yellow. Another tag. Oh, it looks like it needs a little glue. Another flip out. And then this page I think we made together too with my little pockets. I ended up taking it to the sewing machine and stitching. I like how those kind of stick out. Another pocket and a tag. This one we did together. Have those little bits right here, and then I needed a tag. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling. Needed a tag, so I made this one. Leftover circles from all of my die cutting. Another tag here. Oh wait, did I put something up here? Oh, I need something up there. And more yellow. And a couple pieces I tucked in there. Here. The toilet paper roll patent. Makes me chuckle. Just tuck that right there. And there's the center of this signature. Another tag. I love how these turned out for the freebie. Those are really fun, and I love how the corner tucks look. And more tags. There's the other fabric one in green. I love this too, that crocheted ribbon lace. Here I have a little cluster, and it's like a little tab, and then we had a little French tag with the French vocab. And here we have a couple of tags from the kit, and those sort of slide in. There we go. It's getting caught on something. All right, we'll leave it there. Here's my green dude. And just a little collage here at the bottom, and this is a tag that I put sideways so it sticks out. Thought that was kind of fun. There's blue. I have a little flip out with this indexy card, a little collage here. And then on this side there's another tag. And here we have blue. More ribbon, little flip out. Another tag. More pages from the kit. The blue girl. I did the tabs after it was sewn in, and so makes me nervous. There's the blue and the purple. And the tag. Here, I stuck 2 of these in. Right there. I had an idea earlier today. It would be cool if I took a second printout of this page and put it over to kind of make it a faux cover, and then it could be a tuck spot. I thought that would be kind of fun. A purple tag, a flip out, the other tuck spot. Fabric pieces on my purple dude. I'm gonna tuck him back in there. I like him kind of peeking out. It's fun. Here's a purple page and a big card in the top. I like how the butterfly kind of sticks out there. And then we did this page together, and I went back and I did some stitching around these. I'm just gonna pull out. I like that. And there's the end of the book. Yeah. Big chunky rainbow journal. I just love it. I love it. All right, I hope you've enjoyed making your rainbow journals as well. It's been really fun. The rainbow kick was really fun. Who knows, we might end up having some more rainbow stuff in the future because I can't get enough. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.